Hello everybody, welcome to your channel Learn with Smile by Disha. So in the previous video we have learned about subtraction of mixed fractions with like and unlike denominators, right? So in today we are also going to learn something related to fractions, and that is how can we multiply fractions, that is multiplication of fractions, right? So let us see how can we multiply like and unlike fractions. So first we are going to see multiplication of fractions. That is very simple, the easiest of all, and it will be very easy for you to do. Okay, there is only a single method that we need to do, and easy one, that is to find out the product of fractions. We need to find out what we need to do, product of the numerators by product of the denominators. What does that mean? You see, there are only three simple steps to multiply fractions. The first step is we need to multiply the top numbers, that is the numerators. Second step is we need to multiply the bottom numbers, that is the denominators, and then after getting the result, if we can simplify the fraction, means if it is been simplified or we can reduce it to a simplest form, then we will do. Okay, we will understand this with the number of examples. First example, 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 is given. So what we will do? So first we are going to multiply the numerator and denominator, right? So that is equal to 1 into 2 by 2 into 5. Just simple. Means just multiply numerators and numerators by denominators. Only product. And then what we need to do is, now what we need to do is 1 into 2 gives us what? 1 into 2 gives us 2 and 2 into 5 gives us 10. So hence the product is 2 by 10. And now what we had known, that if we can simplify the fraction, then we will do. Here 2 by 10 can be simplified with the number 2. So let us simplify the fractions. 1, 5. So hence right now we get is 1 by 5. So this is the answer. Therefore 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 gives us 1 by 5. Now let me tell you, this is one of the first method which we have learned. Let me just tell you a simple method, that is the second method. So that is not something here hard. What we need to do is, see, this is given 1 by 2 and 2 by 5, right? Here in these type of fractions, when you see in these fractions, what we can do is there are some steps. That is, if we can cut one's numerator and denominator like this, 2 you can see. 2 you can see that they are being multiplied, right? Here if these both numbers can be cut, like we can cross these both numerators and denominators. If 1 and there would be, if there would be 2 and here would be 8, then also we could cut it. But 1 or 5 are not being cut, so we are not going to cut it. 2 and 2 are going with one number, that is 2. So that's why I can reduce it into 1 and 1. And we can also reduce the numerators and denominators. For example, if there would be 28 into 4 and 6, then we could also cut it. For example, 2 and 8 we could cut it, and 2 is 1 into 4. Again 4 is cut in, so we will cut it by 4, 1. Hence we have just got left with one fraction, that is 1 into 1 and 1 into 6. Hence what we will get, the simplest form is 1 into 6. This is also another method, simple. If these both fractions also could be cut, then we could cut it. So simple, right? Now you see, this is like that. So what do we get? 1 into 1 by 1 into 5. Easy. We got the answer simply, 1 into 5. This is the first method, this is the second method. Easy. Now let us see the next one. Okay, next one. Here what we can see in the next one. So now what we will do is 4 2 by 3 into 3 by 7 into 2 1 by 6. First let us convert them to improper fractions. So 3 into 4 12, 12 plus 2 14. So first we get is 14 by 3. Let us keep the sign as it is. Next 7 into 3, that is 21. 21 plus 3, that is 24. 24 by 7 into, then again 6 into 2, that is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. That is 13 by 6. Hence now we have converted them. Simple. Again we are going to take out the product of the numerators and denominators. You can also cut it simply, but I am right now not cutting it right now. Okay. I will show you the both methods only how to do it. So first let us do like this, 14 into 24 into 13. Then next in the denominators part we will write 3 into 7 into 6. Now we are going to cut all these. Here we can see that some fractions are cut in, right? For example, let us cut this 3 and 24. These both are been cut. So 3 and 24, also we can cut 6 by 24, but I am cutting these both numbers. That is 1 and we get is 8. Again you see 7 and 14 are also been cut. So let us cut this. This is 1, this is 2. Now you see no other number but 6 and 8 is also been cut. So we can cut it by 2, 3 and 4. Now we cannot see that any number is been cut, right? So right now we can't cut any number. So let us just write it. 2 into 4 into 13 by 3. Because there is only one number 3. 1 into 1, 1 into 3. Right? So let us write here 3. Now we will multiply them. Right? 2 into 4, 8. And now what we need to do is we need to multiply 8 into 13 by 3. 8 into 13 by 3 gives us what? It gives us means 8 into 13 by 3, right? So what does it gives us? It gives us 104 by 104 by 3, right? Now we have got, now you see this can be converted to a mixed fraction. So let us convert it. Okay, these fractions can't be simplified, so that's why I'm cutting it, converting it. 3, and then what we're going to do is 3 into what number will give us the nearest number? Let us take 34. So 3 into 34, 2. Okay. So 3 into 34 gives us what? It gives us 102 plus 2 gives us 104 by 3. Done. Now this is what we have got right now. Here, so 4 2 by 3 into 3 3 by 7 into 2 1 by 6 gives us 34 2 by 3. Okay. Now let us see another method, means how we can reduce, how we can multiply fractions and whole numbers. We have just right now, we have learned that how we can multiply fractions with fractions. But what about multiplying fractions and whole numbers? How can we multiply fractions and whole numbers? Just easy. Make the whole number a fraction by putting it over 1. Okay, just we need to do this. For example, you see 5. 5 means also 5 by 1. Means if we see that any fraction is given to multiply with whole numbers, what we need to do is we will make the whole number a fraction by putting in the denominator's part 1. Let us see how we can do this with a fraction, means with examples. Yes, first example we can see is 8 by 15 into 10. What we need to do? First let us write the fraction 8 into 15 into 10 by 1. Here when you see that these whole numbers are given, we just need to put 1 in the denominator's part. And now we are going to cut it how it is. So 15 and 10 can be cut by 5. 5 if we do is 2 and this is 3. Hence we get is 8 into 2 gives us 16 and 3 into 1 gives us 3. Right? Now they can be now they can be converted to mixed fractions. So let us do it. 3, 5, 1. So 5 into 5 1 by 3 we get is the answer. So hence 8 by 15 into 10 gives us 5 1 by 3, right? Now we will see another example. What we can see is mixed fraction into whole number. Easy, only what we need to do is, so here it has been given 211 by 27 into 18. Okay. Now we will first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then multiply how we used to do. First 27 into 2 gives us 54. 54 plus 11, 65. Hence 65 by 27. 65 by 27 we will do 18 in the numerator's part and 1 in the denominator's part. Now 18 and 27 also can be cutted by 3. So first let us cut it. But I am exactly taking 9 because 9 can be cut by the both numbers easily. 9, here 3 and here 2. Easy. So 65 into 2 gives us what? 130. And 3 into 1, that is 3. Easy. Now let us convert them to the mixed fraction. 3 and then what number can we do? Then we can take is what? 36? No, 38. Let us see which number can we. Now this is a big number, so let us divide it as we used to do, right? We can do this, not instead of gasping and thinking which number can we take. So first let us take 4. 4 we can take is 12 and then we have is 10. 10 we can take is 3, right? So let us take 3, then we do is 9. Now we have gotten is this is 1 and this is just 1. So how the remainder is 1? First we know that quotient part is the integral part, so it is right here 43. 43 and remainder's part is the numerator's part. So done. So 43 1 by 3 is the answer, right? So what we did we learn today's video? We learned how can we multiply fractions with fractions and fractions with whole numbers with a number of examples. So if you liked our video, then hit the like button, and if you are new, have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt or query, then comment us in the comment section. And also if you want to see our new upcoming videos, then hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends, relatives, family members. So thank you for watching.